Hey, if you run a local business or trade, plumber, roofer, builder, salon, dog groomer, this is something you need to hear. We've built the ultimate AI powered text agent, and it's like having a full time employee that never sleeps. It learns all about your business, your services, prices, opening hours, what areas you cover, and it uses that info to answer customer questions instantly, pre sell your services, book appointments or send quote links, and handle inquiries 24/7, even when you're on site, at lunch, sleeping, or out of hours. It's not a boring chat widget. This thing actually holds smart, helpful conversations that convert. It works with your chat widget, your texts, and your Facebook and Instagram DMs. Imagine replacing one admin role with a system that costs a fraction of the price and works around the clock. No days off and no missed leads. You'll close more jobs, give better support, and save hours every week. We can supply it with our website or just install it on your current one. Want to see it in action on your website? Drop us a message or visit smbooster.co.uk and we'll show you what your AI agent could be doing for your business. Simple, smart, and always at work.